Hi, today is 8th of April 2026. Time is about half past 7 p.m. here in Slough, England, UK. SL SL1 postcode. Just by that trading state. That's the location. Tom Cruise, you were here. Mission Impossible was shooting. I made a few videos before that, and I will upload it later on with the dates. Please pay attention um, on the dates. I just thought make a little Pakistani intelligence services, no Pakistani chief of the army staff, Asim Munir, Ruli Walker. You are chief of joint chief of staff, international global banking or greater Israel banking. And I doubt that how many Israelis have a banks in Israel in shekels. Most likely bonds and dollars and gold and Switzerland, offshore companies. Pakistani ambassador now sitting right next to Panama. Panama leaks. How many Americans were in it? James Bond. Pakistani Prime Minister. You're a fuck, isn't it? Shabazz Sharif. Me got a full logistics for out of control. Homeless person here. Man, forget the jobless. How many? Debu will talk about that. Penniless, penny drop. Penny was Ben Wallace. You can tell that. Who was that Penny? Just pick up to be dropped. Otherwise, mutiny on its way or rebellion. Russian rebels, no Syrian rebels. Hormuz is blocked. Iranian. Lebanon, land of honey and Caliph state. No, land of honey and Jesus one, Bible one. Honey and milk. White one. Yeah. Armenian whites one day were deported. Oi. Rwanda, deported to Rwanda. Kanye West. Uncle Smova, aka Sir Steer Karmar. He's somewhere in Middle East island. Muslims, among Muslims. Muslims. Pakistani Asim Munir, no, remember Asim Munir fucking asshole, Field Marshal, me sadak chap, me sadak chap, translate, sadak chap, road runner, homeless, Field Marshal on the ground reality, kill extrajudicial killing, did oh, anyway, I should be moving out. I will make later on. Yeah, Asim Munir. No, manure, fertilizer bomb. What was that? Fertilizer bomb. No, Ocean Gate. Great Friar Gate. That's the prophecy. Rizwan, actually, rapping. My name is Rizwan, actually. That's the Persian way. Actually, it's Arabic name. Rizwan should be. Not Rizwan. My name is Khan. Rizwan Saeed. Oi, Donald Trump, pedo, fucking pedo. Remember? Ar- Ariana Grande, no, we'll talk about. I'm sorry, later on. What's that? Yeah, Rizwan Saeed, Pakistani ambassador in Washington. Diplomacy, Pakistani diplomacy. Fazil, there is a Shukla, Israeli currency, Raj Shukla. नाम तो सुना ही होगा राज रब ने बना दी जोड़ी टू इन वन what was it? Yeah. San Bernardino massacre or San Antonio massacre. San Bernardino massacre. 8 people died. I don't know. White Anglo-Saxon, Nordic. You were saying hello, Muslim problem. Donald Trump. They were died. They were killed. So it can be justified, Jack. Killing Muslims, making hell. Blacks, Russian. Justification, offshore account. They were killed just because you can be pop out. My name is Hannah. I can't breathe oxygen. O2 building. They're over there. My beloved Samantha Cameron, man. I am here. Samantha Cameron is. Yeah. Two in one. David Cameron kicking off Brexit. If that was not invention. Solar, no, Sun City actually. I give the name. Yeah, I think that should be enough for today. Maybe later on I will make few more. I'm going to local mosque, Tabligh mosque. Tablighi Taliban fraud thug your car. My Muslim brothers and sisters, uh, Jew phobia, no. What's that about? Islamophobia, no. Shia phobia, Sunni phobia. Man, I used to go also here. Shia mosque, give a fatwa. Jihadi, ISIL, Mio Kulfa, Caliph State. Was Google one new joker? Uh, Tim Devi. After who's that? Jokes name. Brittany Spears' relative. Martin. Martin Luther King. I don't know. I think Martin new BBC. One Indian wacky Samir Shah. What we talk about? What's in the name? Amati Shah Mahmood Karachi. Xi Jinping. Sheena Taheno man. Sheena. English. Mia Kulfa giving interview. Man, porn star. She has a dark skin. Doesn't look like Lebanese white. Porn star. Quite a famous multi grade pornographic industry still trying to find out me. I think today should be enough. My international audience, sorry, especially YouTube. At the moment, my international audience who will watch later on YouTube, full they are alert. I'm talking about these multi multi counterintelligence dark world dark web one who are getting grammatically have to be correct nowadays. Correct. You have to be crystal clear nowadays. Yeah, I'll have to give a proper calm environment. Even a police station. Why don't you go to Pakistan or Russia? Or Ocean Gate, fertilizer pump. Man, Pakistani, no, Paki billionaire going for $100,000 tickets for trying to find a what? Who sank the Titanic? Oh, what happened to BPD prize? And which inside Java was that? Sending a strong massage? Where the fuck Donald Trump came? According to my terms. Imran Khan, I don't know which pedo category comes. PTI, I know that. Man, there are many packies around to me. Big injustice happen. Lot of political asylums. Shabana Mahmood. Lots of political asylums. Yeah. And yeah. Imran Khan, adulterer, playboy. Which song I watch? Man, anyway, I think it should be enough. Tabligh, Islami, I had no idea they had a same sect. The part of shootout from the Deobandi, Brelvi, Shia, which mosque I went. Okay, okay. And Catholicism in danger. Israel is in danger. Which mosque I went? Narendra Modi, Imam Mehdi is your bully at a cow dung. My problem. Narendra Modi, Jack Straw. Narendra Modi, 2014. Man going Pakistan for marriage. Lahore. Okay. Narendra Modi, your bullshit Hindu, I think. Look at Indian thug. Man mentioned Narendra Modi na. You have to look after fucking Hindus, Indian, Muslim, dark web na. YouTube, whoever watch, please my YouTube, don't delete my video. That will be greatest help to humanity. Let the police, Scotland Yard, investigate and come up with the charge. I don't know, racial slur, big BBC news. Paddy, I don't know, Northern Ireland, British editor is being sacked. Which solar city, English? Here is your Thakur. Hey, look. Mention na fucking Narendra Modi. Bacha da Paki. Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, bole shit. Christian, bole shit. My beloved country, na England. You want to practice Hinduism, Sikh, don't want to practice anything. Christian, you got Bible there, Gita, Granth Sahib, everything is there. People don't only say, as a Muslim, even a practicing Muslim. I won't say, but here God is here, police, uniform officer. No one is above the law. Speak English with them. Salar, Russian salar, no Russian. Russian salar. They got to interpret their own English. Alhamdulillah, my lovely country. They charge, they go, there's a legal procedure. Above the law. Persona non grata, devoted. My international audience. I just watched the previous day. I watched, old song, Jew West. Go West, go West, go West, Jew West. I don't know. Patisha, animal like humans or human like animals. Man, I don't know which will be shit. Patisha boys, Kanye West is not allowed to come. No, he's not allowed to come to the concert. Private, he can come. How about from Ghana, Nigeria? Kemi Badenoch? Inshallah Ta'ala. They will be giving visas. If Solar Tree go there. Donald Trump bombing Boko Haram. So does Mexicans, Afghanistan, Indian.